Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn grammar concept, degree of comparison of adjectives. Degree of comparisons of adjectives. Means here we are going to learn. Means when you are comparing the two things or two nouns with the help of adjective. With the help of adjective. That time this concept is known as degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Now see here, some sentences are given there. Read the sentences. See, Yatin is strong. Yatin is strong. Means here in this sentence there is no any comparison. There is no any comparison. Means the adjective strong is it is used in a simple form. It is used in a simple form. When adjective used in a simple form, that time we are saying that it is a positive degree. Means there are three types of degree: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Here first means when we are using the adjective in a simple form in the sentence, that time that sentence tells us about the positive degree. Means in this sentence Yatin is strong. Means simply this adjective used in this sentence. That time this sentence tells us about the positive degree. Okay, now next sentence see. Amit is stronger than Yatin. Amit is stronger than Yatin. Here is a comparison. In this sentence it is a comparison between two nouns. Means between two persons. Okay. In this sentence, the adjective stronger. See here, adjective stronger refers to a higher degree. Means that tells us about what is the means that tells us stronger. That tells us the difference between two noun. Okay. Means anyone is when see there is a comparison of two nouns. It is called comparative degree. Means here is the comparison between two nouns. Okay. Means Yatin is. Who is stronger? Means Amit is stronger than Yatin. Yatin is strong. Okay. Yatin is strong. But Amit is stronger than Yatin. Means here is the comparison with the help of this adjective stronger. Means we are joining the adjective er. Okay. That time. And after the adjective we are using there than for the comparison. For the comparison of two nouns. Means after adjective we are writing there than. In that time we are saying that it is a comparative form of degree. Okay. And see it here er also we are joining. Means after the strong we are joining there er, and after stronger we are writing there than. Means it is the comparative form of degree. Then third sentence see, Praveen is the strongest of all. Praveen is the strongest of all. Means in this sentence the adjective strongest refer to the highest degree. Means that tells us about the highest degree of comparison. One with more than two nouns. Means more than two nouns, not only two nouns. In second sentence there is a two nouns comparison. In the third sentence not only two but more than two. More than two nouns. Means for example in the whole class Yatin is strongest of all the students. Of all the students. Means whole class is compared with here Yatin. Means Yatin is strongest than of all. Okay. Means it is the which degree? Superlative. Superlative degree. Okay. Means we are adding est to the adjective. Est means strong is the adjective. In comparison form we are joining there er. After stronger we are writing there than. Here we are in for the adjective we are writing means we are writing there suffix est. Understood? Means it is the which degree? Superlative. And here before the adjective we are writing the. See here, Praveen is the strongest, means before the strongest there is the. See here, means before the strongest there is the, means like this way we are in the superlative form. Before the adjective we are writing there the. In the comparative form, after the adjective we are writing there than, and in positive degree we are writing simple form of adjective in the sentence. Like this way, these are the 3 degree of comparison. Okay. Now see here, now here is given a table. Complete the table of degree of comparison. Means if there is a positive form, we are writing only adjective. If there is a comparative form, then we are writing there er. Okay, means we are writing joining to the adjective er. And if there is a superlative, then we are writing joining there est. Okay, est. Like this way we are writing the, means we have to complete this table. First see, great. Comparative form is greater and superlative form is greatest. Then famous. We are not writing here now famouser. If there is a, means like this way, if there is an adjective, then we are writing there before this adjective more in comparative form. More famous. What we are writing there? More famous. And in superlative form, most famous. Most famous. Here now third. Here is given a comparative form. Easy. Before that we are writing there easier is here. Then what is the positive form? Easy. E-A-S-Y. Y change into I here. See. And in the superlative form, easiest. E-A-S-I-E-S-T. Okay. Like this way. Now fourth see. Here is, means worse. Worse means it is a comparative form of simple form. Means if there is a bad. Okay. Then we are writing there, means which comparative form? Worse. Means sometime, for example, good, better, best. Good is the simple form. Better is the comparative form. And best is the superlative form. Like this way here, bad, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. W-O-R-S-T. Worst is a superlative form. Okay. Like this way you have to complete this. Now here is given superlative. Then here comparative form is poorer. P-O-O-R-E-R. And here is poor. Okay. Then what is given next? Laziest. Then lazier. L-A-Z-I-E-R. And lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Okay. Like this way. Next is little. Little comparative form is less. What is the comparative form? Little less, least. L-E-A-S-T. Least is the superlative form. Then next, 8 number. What is given there? Comparative form. Worth, worthier. What is the positive form? Worthy. W-O-R-T-H-Y. Worthy. Okay. And worthiest. Here W-O-R-T-H-I-E-S-T. Worthiest. Then next is, last one is popular. Here also we are not writing popularer. Here what we are writing there? More popular. More popular and most popular. Superlative form is most popular. Okay. Like this way we are writing the means degree of comparison. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, you have to write in this question also, in your notebook. Okay. Like this way your syllabus of ET test is finished. Thank you.